The International English Language Testing System (IELTS) is a globally recognized exam that evaluates the English language proficiency of non-native speakers. However, an ongoing debate exists regarding the preferred method of answering the exam: paper-based or computer-based. This video compares these two formats so that you can decide which method is preferable for you. Both the paper-based and computer-based versions of the IELTS exam have their own set of advantages and disadvantages. I hope by watching this video till the end, you will be able to make a decision of selecting the right format for your IELTS exam. Advantages of the paper-based exam include familiarity, as it has been the traditional format for many years. You will be given a physical test booklet where you can write your answers directly. It also allows for easy navigation between different sections of the test, enabling a smoother flow in answering the questions. If you prefer working with pen and paper or find it easier to review your responses on paper, then the paper-based exam might be a better fit for you. However, a clear and legible handwriting is crucial for ease of reading by the examiner. If you have a poor handwriting or your writing becomes messy under stress to complete your test on time, paper-based exam might not be a good option for you. On the other hand, the computer-based exam offers some unique advantages, such as showing word count and time remaining on the screen. Moreover, computer-based exam allows you to easily delete or edit your text. This allows for mistakes to be easily corrected and sentences to be rearranged or deleted effortlessly, which is not very easy and looks very messy in a paper-based exam. Furthermore, in computer-based IELTS exam, there is a list of question numbers shown at the bottom of the screen. Typically, the unanswered questions are underlined in this list. This feature helps you to see which questions you still need to answer, making it easier to keep track of your progress in the test. Personally, I think this is the best feature of the IELTS computer-based exam because it saves you so much time and you can quickly jump to any unanswered questions. Additionally, IELTS computer-based exam have usually more test dates available compared to the paper-based option. Also, the result of IELTS computer-based exam comes in 3 to 5 working days, whereas you have to wait for at least 10 to 15 working days to get the result of IELTS paper-based exam. Although we see that computer-based format has more advantages, but still, if you're a person who doesn't use computer every day, or your typing speed is slow, or you make mistakes while typing, computer-based is then not the right option for you. You should then consider paper-based format for your exam. It is also worth noting that the speaking component of the IELTS exam is conducted face-to-face with an examiner, regardless of whether you choose the paper-based or computer-based format. In terms of which option is best for you, assess your own preferences and skills. If you are comfortable with technology, typing quickly, and editing text on a computer, the computer-based exam may be a good choice for you. Conversely, if you prefer writing by hand or have difficulty with typing, the paper-based exam might be more suitable. The important thing is to practice and familiarize yourself with the format you choose, ensuring you are well prepared for specific requirements of the test. All the best for your IELTS exam. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.